Ladies, 10.
All right, man. That's military press-ups. Oh, whoops, military push-ups right there.
You want to see a good man with strong arms. A man who...
There you got Max laughing, man. You know what I'm saying? Shit. That's a good set, Max. That's a good set. You know what I mean? Let's go, man. Let's go. Who going next?
Shots fired.
Shots fired, man.
Hey,
All
ladies,
units respond.
I want you to know this guy right here.
He just came home, man. I swear to God.
He's been
No.
Well, that's
My
what the
boy
hell
knows
I.
this today, man. But my boy,
I'm gonna say he
my
just
boy-
came home, man.
my boy- no.
Some people will
He
say,
was
"Yo,
away, but
I
he's
know,
back.
yeah, I know that dude, man."
Nice, two.
Don't let
There
him
you
get
go.
you.
There you
Because
go.
he'll rip you apart. You
Yep.
know? He's like
Five.
the maniac. You know? You take all those pills, but you don't take no blue pills. You know?
God damn, give him that blue pill and a white pill. Shit, be like, whatever, dog. Shit. Oh man. Oh shit. I like that. Nah, man, I'm talking shit today. I ain't working out. Today was a leg day. Know what I'm saying? Woo.
You should just
Nice.
you should call it talking shit.
Oh, you trust me. I'll have words. You see it. I gotta edit this shit a little bit and clean that shit up. Let's go, man. Let's go, Aiden. Ooh. Gotta hit that.
Lock the doors, ladies.
You know what I'm saying? Close the door, like the door, like the window, everything, goddamn it.
Lock the window, the
Yeah,
doors.
it's Aiden in the house. You know what I mean?
Hide in the closet.
Shit.
Dragon's coming.
Yeah,
Shots
man.
fired.
Give it to her, man. Give it to her. Yeah, blast that
The
shit.
dragon, or is the dragon entering you?
Yeah, give it to her, man. That's a multiple orgasm right there, boy.
That's right.
You got all of that.
Woo! Yeah, buddy. You know what I mean? Shit.